Hi crafty friends, Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today I am so excited to be unboxing Shimmerz Paints March 2025 Color Kits. I think that this is my favorite kit ever from Shimmerz Paints. The colors are just so bright and so fun. So here's a look at everything that comes in the kit. And I'm going to go through these one by one, but you can see here there's a lot of product that you receive when you subscribe to the color kits. So you can purchase this individually, or you can purchase it as a set. So let's take a look at the pattern paper. Look at all these pretty colors. And then on the back of this one, this is like a color sheet, so you could paint those. And then we've got a pink here with some flowers. And then on the back, I love this little design. So there was one similar to this, I think, in last month's kit, and I used it and I loved it. Here's a lavender with some polka dots and some stars. And then on the back, we've got this green with a floral. Here's some rainbows on here. That's super pretty. And oh, I love, love, love this. Black and white with a circle in the center. Then we've got some sprinkles here, large sprinkles. We've got some gorgeous flowers. Here's another wreath style page. So all the work's pretty much done for you. And then on the back, there's lots of stars and the pretty colors. The colors in this kit this month are just so pretty. Then there's some stripes here, diagonal stripes. Then we've got little bitty circles here. I love that pattern. And this is a painting sheet. Isn't this so pretty? I definitely want to paint these up and maybe fussy cut them out. Then we have this minty colored green with some florals. And then on the back, oh, these are shamrocks. So pretty. You also receive these enamel dots. So I really like those. One says selfie, then there was a stripe. Then there's one with a shamrock. Then you get all of these little wood pieces. So you could paint those, ink those, whatever you'd like. And then there's these stickers. So you can see here they have like that postage stamp style, but we've got a pink sheet, a couple orange, a peach, a yellow, a green, a blue, another blue, and then a purple. And then this is the ephemera pack, and that's one of my favorite things about the Shimmerz Paints color kits are the ephemera packs. So there's 35 pieces of pre-cut ephemera in here, and there's lots of different little pieces. So this one has like little shamrocks on it. We've got some florals and some leaves, some more shamrocks. Super pretty, and they're all in the coordinating colors with the kit. There's a butterfly. We've got like this little wavy pattern, some sunglasses, a butterfly. It's a black and white piece. Another little wavy strip. There's some of those, what are those? Horseshoes, I believe. Ooh, lips. I love lips. Lipstick. Got some pretty flowers. There's a little row of hearts in all of the colors. Some of mine are sticking together here. Here's just a row of the different colors. We've got lots of florals. This says Hello Spring. Some more hearts. We've got some more of those horseshoes. This just says spring. Got a banner. Fun little wavy design here. And then we've got a couple of these little film strip pieces. And this looks like almost like a little card. We've got a purple and a green. Super pretty. This is the bonus bundle. So this is an add-on. So you can add this to the color kits, or it's sold by itself. So you can get the sequins. And then the paint in the bonus bundle is Daffodil Creameez. All right, so these are the paints that come in the kit. So you can order just the paints as a set by themselves, or they come with the color kits. So this first one here, this is called Pink Stilettos, and this is a Coloringz. This next one here is Peaches and Cream, and this is a Shimmerz. Super shimmery. We also have, let's see, this is Stay Posy-tive Shimmerz, and this is a new one. So this one just came out. I love that purple. And then this might be my favorite. This is Don't Citron Me. It's a Coloringz. And then this next one is Freshly Minted. And this is an Inklingz. Look at that really pretty mint color. And super pretty. And then this last one here, this is in the bonus bundle, and this is called Daffodil Creameez. So this is a real vibrant yellow. So that is a look at all the paints. And now I want to show you the sequins up close that come in the bonus bundle, because I didn't take them out of the package earlier. So I wanted to show you these up close so you really can see how pretty these really are. So all of the colors in the kit, and there's just different sizes. Super pretty. All right, so if you've enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe and come back. When you place your order on the Shimmerz Paints website, add my name, Melissa Minor, to the comments section of your order, and Shimmerz will send you a free paint. You can add my name to every order you place on the Shimmerz website, and each time they'll send you another free paint. If you don't already follow me on Facebook and on Instagram, I would love for you to follow me there as well. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what your favorite color is this month. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!